Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a digital signature to a PDF with date and time using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful for making your documents legally binding and professionally time-stamped all within seconds. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF document you want to add your digital signature to. This could be a contract, an agreement, or any document that requires your official signature. Once your file is open, look over to the left panel and click on View More. From the options that appear, select Prepare a Form. This tool is designed to help you add interactive fields to your PDF, including signature fields that will automatically capture the date and time when signed. Next, click on Create Form. Adobe will now process your document and prepare it for signature fields. This might take just a moment, so be patient while it analyzes the PDF structure. Now, in the left panel, you'll see various field options. Click on Digital Signature and then place it wherever you want on the document. This is where your signature will appear, so choose a location that makes sense, like the bottom of the page or next to a signature line. If you need multiple signature fields, you can add digital signature again and place it in another location. Once you've positioned your signature fields, look to the upper left panel beside Prepare a Form and click the X button. This closes the form preparation mode and returns you to the normal viewing mode. Now it's time to actually sign the document. Click on your digital signature field and a prompt will appear. Click Continue to proceed with creating your signature, then click Create to set up your signature for the first time or use an existing one. You'll now see several options for how you want to create your signature, such as text, draw, or image. If you want to draw your signature, click on Draw. This gives you the most natural-looking signature since you'll be creating it freehand. Start drawing your signature into the text field using your mouse or trackpad. Take your time to make it look authentic and professional. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click Apply to confirm your signature. Next, click Save to store this signature. Adobe will now prompt you to enter your password for security purposes. Type in your password and then click Sign. This password protects your digital signature from unauthorized use. Finally, select where you want to save the signed document on your computer. You'll also have the option to rename the file name if needed, which is helpful for keeping track of signed versions. Once you've chosen your location and file name, click Save one more time. And that's it. You've successfully added a digital signature to your PDF with the date and time automatically embedded using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.